If there is one thing I don't really understand, it's why online merchants don't use and offer cryptocurrency payments more often. Truth is, even I wanted to offer credit card payments in my shop because it's very comfortable and easy for people to pay with them. You just type some numbers and it's bought. But then I looked at the fees and they are ridiculous. If you are using WooCommerce for your online shop, you know you can add, for example, PayPal and Stripe gateways. Both of these platforms offer taking credit card payments. Have you ever checked how much are they taking from you? I don't really like processing fees, and if there is a way to save money for marketing and for other development, I would say it's much better than paying these gateways. Let me show you. Let's start with Stripe. Stripe is taking 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful card charge. But this fee is only if you are not in high-risk industry. That's, for example, selling alcohol. High-risk industries are also concert pre-sales, pre-orders, dropshipping, auctions, gaming, and things like that. If you offer this, it's possible that Stripe will not even let you use their gateway. Let's look at PayPal now. So if you're in US, the fee is 2.9% and a fixed fee. It's 4.4% plus fixed fee if it's an international sale. Fixed fee is 0.3 USD or 0.35 euro. So now you know about the fees that you are ripped off if customers pay with credit cards in your shop. If you are sending some more expensive things, you can calculate that you are losing a lot of money by using these gateways. These platforms, Stripe and PayPal, are talking about these fees being competitive. Well, they are not. I'm not going to persuade you to just leave these gateways altogether, but I want to show you a payment method that you can add that will save you some money and maybe bring more people to your shop, because not everyone wants to have their payment visible in their bank statements. For example, if you're buying a gift or a present, you want to have the payment and everything as private as possible. News outlets are always talking about how expensive it is to send money through cryptocurrencies. How hard is it to have a cryptocurrency gateway? How hard is it to accept and receive crypto, and so on and so forth. It's actually nothing else than lies. Offering crypto payments is very easy and not very difficult if you are using WordPress. You just install some plugins and maybe register an account somewhere, add some crypto addresses in some fields, and you are done. I think the hard part is controlling the money that you are receiving this way. Also, I think people can find it dangerous because the crypto volatility is high. The thing is, there are two ways how you can accept cryptocurrencies in your shop, and both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. So the first and easier method is using cryptocurrency payment services. The biggest advantage of this method is that they can instantly settle the crypto payment for you and send real money to your bank account, for example, every 24 hours. As a merchant, you then don't have to care about volatility or price. Maybe you heard about BitPay or Coinbase or CoinGate or Crypto.com. Those are crypto payment services. Fee is most of the time just 1%, but better to look into it more in details. They actually don't just take 1% from you, they are also making the crypto price a little bit higher, so the customer has to pay more. The second and more hard method is not using these crypto payment services, not using any middleman services, and do everything by yourself. This way you just save the processing fee of about 1%, but you don't have any automatic settlements. That means you need to make a crypto exchange account, for example on Coinbase, Bittrex, Bitfinex, and send the received crypto here, exchange it for real money, and make a bank withdrawal. Bittrex, for example, has 0.25% trading fee and no bank account withdrawal fee. It obviously takes more time, but you just save even more money. And as a business, I would say it's better to spend them on your business than on some processing fees. Maybe you are thinking, hey, they are crypto transaction fees and they are expensive. Well, no. If you just don't take Bitcoins but offer other coins, the real transaction fee can be zero for you and even for the customer. So how to add these methods? In WordPress, on the left side you click on plugins and click on add a new plugin. For example, let's say I want to use BitPay. You can click on it, and in the installation window you can see that you need a BitPay merchant account too. That means you just register at the BitPay plugin, go to your WooCommerce, click on settings and turn on the new payment method. There will probably be some settings you have to set, but that's not part of this video. I wanted to stress more the second method, the method when you are doing everything without any help, without any middleman. There are a couple of great plugins that you can just install, activate, put your wallets in them, and it's working. It's simple as that. Working with these plugins is really easy. You don't need any API keys or anything like that, as opposed to if you are using crypto payment services. I want to show you how simple it is to offer cryptocurrency payments in your shop. So I just installed a plugin called WooCommerce Bitcoin Altcoin Payment Gateway. There are obviously settings you can edit for yourself, but the important part is to add some crypto addresses where you will be receiving money. There are a lot of great crypto wallets, so I let you pick the one you like the most. On this plugin, you just click add a new coin, enter a coin name, add its coin address and activate the coin. WooCommerce will pretty much take care of the rest, but you will probably have to confirm the payment and change the status of the order to complete after the payment is done. If you want to know more, I offer a lot of courses about crypto and other things on my site MANvsCRYPTO.com. See you there.